Picture this: hiccups, a minor inconvenience for most, but imagine them lasting for 68 years. Unthinkable, right? Yet that's the reality Charles Osborne lived with. His hiccuping marathon started in the year 1922 and lasted until 1990. That's a whopping 6 decades and 8 years. Osborne holds the world record for the longest attack of hiccups. The cause? A hog weighing 475 pounds fell on him, damaging a small part of his brain responsible for inhibiting the hiccup response. An everyday annoyance turned lifetime companion. Just imagine the hiccuping symphony that was Charles Osborne's life.